You're disciplined in the morning. You start strong, focused, in control. But at night, everything falls apart. You scroll, you delay, you give in, and you tell yourself, I'll fix it tomorrow. But tomorrow never fixes what you refuse to face today. This is where most people lose, not in the big moments, but in the quiet hours at night, when no one is watching, when your energy is low and your guard is down. You think it's a discipline problem. It's not. It's a system problem. Your willpower is already drained by the time night comes. Every decision you made during the day, every distraction, every delay, it adds up. So when night hits, you don't have control left. You only have habits. And your habits are weak. You don't plan your nights. You don't set boundaries. You don't decide what done looks like. So you drift from one distraction to the next until the day is gone. If you want to fix your nights, you have to start before night begins. Set a clear shutdown time. Decide what matters before your energy disappears. Remove the easy temptations. Make distraction harder than discipline. At night, don't think. Follow a system. Close your apps. Put your phone away. Finish one small task that moves your life forward, even when it feels uncomfortable, especially when it feels uncomfortable, because this is where you change. Not when it's easy, not when you feel motivated, but when you're tired and you still choose control. Do this every night, and you rebuild trust with yourself. You become someone who finishes what they start, someone who doesn't break when it gets hard. And over time, that version of you becomes permanent. So tonight, don't drift, don't escape. Win the last hours of your day, or lose them like you always have. No noise, only discipline.